Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a closure wig. So first off, this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's from Annabelle, and I got three bundles, 20 inches, 22, 24. And these are the lashes that came in the pack. Really cute. This is the first time I'm seeing lashes that come this nice. Like they're usually crap, but this one is actually nice, and I used it on a client. So this is the closure. The closure is 18 inches. Today I got Rana to help me make the wig because guys, like literally when she was making this wig, I was right next to her making up clients. So I was basically multitasking. So this is the Nessa effect. She's the one that made the hair in my Igbo bridal inspired look. So yeah, she's the bomb. So I brought a pro to show you guys how it's done. So right here, she just placed the closure on the center of the wig cap. She used T-pins to pin it down, and now she's just sewing the perimeter of the closure onto the wig cap.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. Try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. Should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, faded in this dark and smoky room. Way out, face reflecting bright green vibes and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah.
After she was done sewing down the closure, she started sewing the bundles. So yeah, she started with the longer bundle, obviously. So this is how she does it. I'm just going to let you guys watch it, and I'll be chipping in once in a while to explain to you in case you don't really get what she's doing, okay?
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. Try to ignore these but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just that I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I find in my heart, yeah.
So she pretty much sold all the tracks all the way to the end, and by the time she was done, she flipped the wig, then cut out the excess wig cap that's underneath where the closure was. Yeah, so that's what she's doing right now. She's just cutting off the wig cap that's underneath the closure. After she was done cutting off that excess wig cap, this is what it was looking like. She went ahead to sew it once again so that it's tight and secure, so it doesn't come undone.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore.
So she's just showing you guys what it's looking like now that it's done. Then next she used castor oil to apply onto the wig. Then she went ahead to blow dry and straighten the hair. So that's pretty much how to do it. I know when I did that, how to make a closure look like a frontal video, people were asking, but how do you make the closure wig? So yes, how. So I tried to make this video as beginner friendly as possible, and I hope you guys understood. If you guys didn't, please let me know your questions in the comment section down below. Like I said before, the hair is from Ali Annabelle. I'm going to leave all their details in the description box down below. So until next time, guys, if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't